Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves, and I want to welcome you to this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week's PR tip is keeping your pitch short and simple. Think of the emails that you get that are like this with no spaces and no breaks. Do you even read them? I sometimes just delete. You want your pitch to be 2 sentences broken by a space, bullet, 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 benefit, statistic, things like that, and then a little bio about yourself, why you're the expert. Easy to read, break it apart, don't just do one big. And as much as we want to tell the media everything about us, we want to tease them with a good hook, some good content, some backup, why we're the person to be talking about that, and then let them come to us for the rest. So keep it short and sweet. If you like this week's tip and you'd like more, I'd love to have you join us in the free PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days long, super easy, 10 minutes a day, and I guarantee you will take at least one thing, if not 10 things out of there to help you get massive visibility for your business. So I'll see you there.